Hello everyone. So today's video we need to cook the sea bream. This is the sea bream and the mackerel. So I'm gonna cook this one. The mackerel I will do soup for this one, and the sea bream I need to fry it. Yeah. So now I need to wash this one. I will wash this one first so that I make it, because this is fresh. Yeah, but this one is still fresh, still clean. I need to remove this one because this is the what's it called, this one, hasang ni siya sa akong kuan kanang ako ang language, but I don't know this one in English. I don't know how to say this one in English. I don't know also in Tagalog this one, hasang. So now it's really totally clean. Look, it's really clean. So we need to wash it properly. Okay, and this one is already clean. I cleaned it already. Yeah. I need to fry this one. Fry it with oil. Fry with oil, and then yeah, it's now I need to slice this one, because so that all the oil will absorb. Slice this one like this, like that. This is my own way, so that all the, because I put everything akong ibutang ang ihang the seasoning powder. Yeah, oh my god, it's so red. Yeah, put like this. Yeah, just do it like that. This is called sea bream. I don't know this one in Tagalog because I don't speak Tagalog, Filipino. And so like that. Oh my god, it's removed here like that. And then this one I need to slice this one into like 1, 2, I think 3. Yeah, 3, because I need to put na tulahon ako siya. Soap, fish soap. So those who knows, tinula is like a fish soap. I can put like I have the spinach in here, spinach, and then some ingredients later I will show you. Yeah, this one, I will wash it again, so because there's a blood, still the blood is here, so I need to wash it again. Now just put water for the mackerel. It's 3 slices. I slice this one into 3, so just put the water. Then I need to prepare for the tomato, just normal slice for the tomato. I'm not a chef. I'm not a perfect chef. That's why I'm not good in slicing. But I can cook basic food. Basic food rani siya. So I just put like that. So I need to put it here in the like that. And this one is the garlic. Yeah, garlic. Just put a little bit garlic. And this one I don't need to slice this one because this is a little bit spicy, or maybe I can just need to add only a little bit flavor. And this one kani siya kuan siya spring onion, so like this, like that, and then I cut it into big pieces because this is soup. Yeah, this is the bigger one, and this one the small portion, the small portion, the soft portion, I need to put that one later on. So this one like that, only like that. You see, it's bigger. And then this one, this is the spinach, so later I will put the spinach later on. So everything is here. Yeah, the soup is here. Yeah, so now I put this one in the stove. Now guys, I need to put in here. Just quickly cook around 5 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes. Yeah, like that. So that's it. So it's ready letter. Look, yeah, like that, only like that. Yeah, it's just simple. I don't have loads of things. Now we're waiting for the mackerel, because I cook the mackerel soup. So this one I need to put some. This is the seasoning, the what's it called, garlic. This is the garlic. I put one teaspoon of garlic because I need to fry this one so that it smells like garlic. So I need to. So we have a different style of cooking. Everyone has different style of cooking, but for me I need to put the garlic, this one, garlic powder. Yeah. So another powder. This is mixed with onions, garlic, and unsa pa ning uban. So it's mixed with some pepper. Yeah, it's mixed. I need to marinate this one with this one. It look like marinade. Ato siyang ikuan. So I don't need to put salt because this one is already like there's a salt inside. All over. Yeah. Like that. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Then I put a little bit of vinegar. Just a second. I need to take my vinegar. This one, the Dato Puti vinegar. A little bit, not much. Oh. I need to open this one. It's not open. Okay. Oh my god. This is okay. Because I don't open this one because I bought this one recently. Ako na siyang gipalit, bago na lang. So mao na siyang dili. Ako na siyang kuan siya ng oh my god. A little bit, just a little bit of vinegar. Not much, just only here. Put this one in here. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. That's it. That's it. I will fry this one later. Now I need to check. So it's a little bit nagkuan na siya, nagbuhapi na siya magboil. So I need to add this super sarap granules. This is all-in-one seasoning granules. So I need to add 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon ba? Okay, 1 teaspoon of no, I need add more or more. Okay, let's check later that one. Now look at, see, yes, it's here, it's ready. Later on I will put now I need to open. So kuan na siya, kanang nagbukal, nagmaayo siya. So I need to add this one. Okay, that one, bukal na siya, maayo. So that one, and next one, the spinach. Later the spinach. Now I separate the fish because this one I need to put the this one, the spinach. Yeah, I need to put the spinach because it's better to separate the fish because dili na siya makita kung atong ikuan. So spinach. Yeah, this is healthy. Yeah, more nutrients, good for the hair. So it's ready, that one. So I need to close, then ready to eat, guys. I have still one more. I need to fry the sea bream. So now the oil is too hot now. Let's see. Oh, it's too hot. That. So now let's check. You can use the other one. Just maybe. Oh my. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Actually, it's not really, it's not burn. Only this one is burn, but it's okay. Now it's ready, guys. It's ready now. Look, it's ready now. So I will put this one in my, maybe I need to make it more, I need more crispy. Now I need to put this one here. Look, see? It's okay now. It's not burn. It's like this crispy. It's only inside. Yeah, it's like I like that one. It will become really, really brown. So now let's check. Let's check. Oh wow, crispy in the outside, soft in the inside. Yeah, perfect. Really nice. It's it, guys, ready to eat, and in my mackerel soup as well. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Now I need to put this one because it's my dinner time. Yeah, I need to yeah. I cannot finish this one today, but anyway, tomorrow, yeah, I need to finish this one tomorrow because this is fish soup. Yeah, this one not much, and this one, yeah, I need to do this one first. This one, yeah, like that. Yeah, this one, that's it, guys. And then segregate this one. Then I have it's too hot. I have the rice. So I have the rice. Oops, it's too hot. I have the rice in here. So now let's take this one here. Oh, sure. Rice. Where is my, yeah, this one? Oh wow, white rice. I have the white rice. As you can see, it's too hot. White rice in here. Yeah. Anyway, I eat too much. Yeah, this is my dinner, full dinner. I eat too much, but I don't gain weight. I'm still the same in my weight, the same. Still slim. Yeah, this is my rice with the fish soup, and this one I cannot finish this one, but only a little bit. Yeah. So let's eat dinner, guys. So this is my food for today, Friday. Thank you for watching.